It's Thursday, it's Thursday. Well, I'm glad I can sing while no one's watching.
Whoa, what's happening?
Dude, what are you doing here?
Whoa, yeah, I came in yesterday already.
Were you sleeping here?
Yeah, I was afraid you gonna replace me again.
Well,
So
I
I
was.
thought maybe if I'm occupying the seat and nobody can replace me.
I was gonna replace you, but, well, apparently that's not gonna happen today.
Lucky me, huh?
Well, well then, put that blanket away, get
Yeah,
ready
okay,
for work.
Okay, yeah, I'm ready.
What are we
ready.
doing?
All right, all right.
Go, go, go.
Yeah, I'm going.
So let me ask you, did you sleep well?
Yes, thank you.
That's very cool. Thank you. Thank you for keeping my equipment some company here.
Yeah, somebody had to take care of it and
Nice.
have a
Thank
look.
you.
Yeah. you're
Now,
welcome.
make yourself of some use and tell the people what we're doing today.
I have no clue. What is it? What today?
Do you want me to put those two buttons on your seat again?
All right. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Matthias wasn't saying that, so I welcome you back. Today we're gonna watch a film made by Honza Kral from the Czech Republic.
Excellent.
And yeah, there my knowledge stops.
What did Honza tell us about his equipment, the location?
To be honest,
Yeah.
I have to look it up.
Well, please do.
You see, I can look it up, they can't.
True. Okay. 1 point for you.
Well, he's using a GoPro 7
Okay, nice.
and he was filming in Egypt.
Okay. Is that all the information that we've got?
Yes. I just woke up. Be patient.
Okay, so while you're waking up, let's just watch Honza's video and then discuss it afterwards. Shall we? Excellent. Oh, Hurghada, and it's liveaboard. Technical diving. All right, I guess this is
Oh,
the end.
all right, yeah, all right.
Excellent, Honza. Thank you so much for submitting your film there to the series.
Matthias,
Have
what do you
you?
think? Just to be quicker.
Yeah, it seems like you've woken up now, haven't you? Okay. Well, I'll go first then, and you can still use some extra time to
Sure,
properly wake up.
sure.
And then I want to hear what you have to say about
Appreciate it.
Honza's film.
Appreciate it.
Cool. All right, Honza, thanks again for the submission. I really enjoyed how you set the scene with the intro shots of the boat. We had some titles there. We had some footage from the boat, topside of the people. So the scene was set and everything was clear that we're going to be diving from a liveaboard. We saw some faces already. That was nice. Then we got into the water, and underwater, I have to say, I was really impressed with how stable your footage looked. Keeping in mind and considering this was shot on a GoPro 7, which is not the newest model by far,
Nope.
and definitely doesn't have a stabilization anywhere as good as the current models have nowadays. So very well done on this. I thought that most of your underwater shots were very, very stable. The framing was good, the composition was good, the lighting was usually quite good too. I enjoyed that. And you seem to have gotten a good experience of how close you can get to certain things, because you were getting close-ish to stuff, but it was still all in focus. So I really enjoyed seeing also, the Nemos and stuff. Stuff that you normally don't really see shot with a GoPro.
Yep.
And I really, really enjoyed that. One thing that I would have probably done different is the keeping the sound, the breathing sound in the clips, the underwater clips. I would have taken that out and just underlaid a sound design underwater breathing sound on all of the underwater clips. It would just sound more fluently, more natural, without that abrupt cut off in between the different clips. That makes it just gives you a bit of a weird feeling there. And then the ending, we were back on the boat. I actually really enjoyed how you were showing us the daytime footage first, then you went into night diving, you came back up onto the boat, and then you didn't go back into the water, but we stayed on the boat, and then it was some sort of a party happening on the boat, which for us not having been on that boat, we don't really know what that is. Maybe we're celebrating New Year's Eve or whatever it was. Probably not, because there was a date right at the beginning, and it wasn't close to the end of the year. But I don't know, maybe a birthday party, whatever it was. As someone watching it who hasn't been there, maybe it would have been a nice idea to put a little title there, what you guys were celebrating. But other than that, the only thing is that I found the ending quite abrupt. With the people dancing, and then there was just a hard cut. We saw, I don't know if it was an animation or actually a shot taken from underwater at night time, and then the film was finished. So
I had the impression, like when I saw that shot, it's like,
now you
now-
want to talk.
yeah, I was just trying to. Okay, I'm not talking. All right, keep going.
I'm not finished. So yeah, that was just a little abrupt for me. I would have liked maybe to have a fade out, a crossfade, or a fade into black and fade back into the next image. I think that would have made it for me a bit smoother, that last transitioning phase towards the end of the film. But other than that, very well done. Really enjoyed it. You may talk now.
Yeah, baby.
I just want to go on that last shot. I had a feeling when I saw that shot, it's like now it's coming a title in I don't know, in memory of that somebody. It looked like it was a party going on, and then this very mystic shot that somebody died, and I was like, okay, but it wasn't happening. It was like, okay, maybe I found it weird, but yeah. Well, I enjoyed watching it, and did. You mentioned that it's very nice for the people who've been there on the trip, and I think that's the the point or the decision you have to make if you want to do the film for all the people been on the liveaboard, then you're doing like a short, yeah, you document your trip and just so the people, you don't need the titles, you don't need the stuff. You can show more people on deck because they there we were on that and that dive location. Oh, this was this evening. It's very nice for them. But I think if you put the film out for everyone else, I think you can shorten this the time where you see the people on the boat quite a bit to keep it interesting for everybody else who wasn't on that trip. But yeah, having said that, I found certain thing, as you said, the shots were nice. I was well surprised how many or the variety of shots we saw and how close he went with the GoPro without getting out of focus. I agree as well on the sound thing. For me personally, the only thing or the only part where it would make sense to use the sound was the bell, but you could replace that with a sound design. And for the partying, because it's hard to sound design that. But again, depends on what you want to do, and if it's not that important, you can just use the normal music for that and just show the picture. So I think you would go better with just deleting the sound and using some sound design.
Yeah.
I saw some spots on the camera, but only on top side. So if you're using your camera as well above the water, the film, make sure to dry it. Take any small towel or something with you, just to make sure the lenses, especially with the action cameras, to make sure it's dry and ready to film.
Do you mean where he was in the water and filming the people getting in the
No,
water,
actually,
or
when he
really
was
on the boat?
On the boat and
All
filming
right.
people, I had a feeling there were some shots where had
Okay.
some water droplets left,
Okay.
or some
Okay.
some marks.
I must have missed that.
Wow, really?
Yeah, I'm getting old.
Then maybe I was wrong.
Or maybe you were still asleep.
Yeah. Yeah. Just checking. Yeah, I think that's it. I think there's one shot with the octopus where I thought there might be too much stabilization happening, but I wasn't sure. It was like a little bit shaky, and it looked like it was like warping then. Yeah. So I wasn't sure, but that would be just one round again in the editing, and then just check if it's all smoothed out. Yeah.
Cool. All right. Excellent. Well, thank you very much for waking up in time and helping me review this film. Honza, thank you very much, mate, for submitting the film and letting us review it here within the series. It was a pleasure watching that film. Really enjoyed it. As always, we're going to put the link to Honza's video as well as to his YouTube channel down in the video description below. Feel free to go over there and leave a like, a subscription, a comment, and have a look at what other content he's got on his YouTube channel.
And if you are already in giving likes and subscriptions out of your mouse, just give us a like, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, if you want us to review your underwater films, please send us the link to your video to contact@matthiaslebo.com. And in the email, just include some information about the equipment you're using, the camera model, the lights you're using, and maybe something about the location you were filming. Just some information for maybe only Matthias, because I'm not allowed to be here anymore, just to see where you were filming and what was going on.
You're actually getting very good at this. After all, I might still invite you for the next one.
Yes.
We'll see. We'll talk about that later. And if you are submitting a film, just keep in mind, guys, that we still have like 6 to 7, 8 months of waiting time. But there is a way how you can skip the line and get your film prioritized by subscribing to the YouTube channel membership that we've got running here on the channel. And that you can sign up by using the little button below the video that says become a member. Thank you very much if you decide to support the channel through that way, which is helping us a lot to keep creating these videos as we do on a regular basis. That's all I've got to say.
Well, then I have nothing more to say. Then thank you guys for watching. See you next time and take care.
Have a good week, guys. See you next Thursday. Bye.
Bye.